All right, everybody. Louis Porcelain, ManoverMarket.com, and today is December 12th, and this is the E-mini morning call. Getting out kind of early this morning. A couple things we've got to cover. The chart in front of you is SPX, is the cash chart. This is showing you that our pivot has been taken out on a cash daily basis. The 23% retracement would be about 2022. The low that we made on this cash chart is 2024-26. We had an up close yesterday. Now, just because the pivot got taken out, this market could rally 2, 3 days. It has to go all the way back up on the cash basis, 2120. All right, 2120 to become a bull again. But it doesn't mean it can't retrace to make new highs in the next couple weeks. A couple other things to remember. We are switching to the March contract, so your charts should be reading as I pull them up today. Let's start with here's a day chart, okay? And this is a March contract. We made a low last night, right here at 2009 and a half, okay? And that's right near the 23%. 2009 is a 23.6% retracement, and I'm taking that from the October lows. So the low we made to there up to the high. Notice that the high in the March is 2071.75, 2071.75. So we'd have to get near that 2079 in the cash. We're about a five. We're starting out at I believe about a five to 7 point discount to cash right now. Okay, so let's look at the overnight action as it comes with. Here's a profile showing us that actually yesterday's mode went higher on the on a basis from the day before. We had a higher high, higher mode, higher low, higher high, or lower high, lower mode, and a lower high. So yesterday, even though it closed on the bottom, the the action indicated that it was higher action. And so let me bring up our chart for today. All right, so let me change this to a 15-minute chart so we get the coloring in here. There we go. Okay, let's start from the bottom. Um, so we got a low of 2009 half. All right. Um, we've rallied back, trading around 2016 and a quarter right now, as you can see. Um, the 5 minute pivot is in a buy. The 5 minute pivot is in a buy. I'll show you at the end of that. But we got our bull bear zone sitting at 2020. 2020. Okay. We got the bottom of value sitting at 2028. And we've got the top of value all the way up here at 2046 half. And we also have the 2047 as the high of the point of control. All these numbers have gotten skewed because of rollover. When you have rollover and these guys are rolling massive positions over, it's the kind of action that you have. It's still, even though we have a roll, it's still going to trade a little bit squirrely until we get expiration, which will be next week, December 19th. The December contract goes off the board for good. It's the happiest day of my life when rollover is done with. So, going back, so you have the value areas and so on. Let's. So we'll be trading below value. I've been kind of, even though I've been, bullish. So the 5 minute pivot right here, we took it out at about 6:05 this morning, right there, 6 o'clock, and it's gone to a buy. Um, so this is typical of what happens, on both sides of the market. We've had basically since last Thursday and Friday, the market's been going down, and we've been used to buying it, and now they're if you've been long, they've been giving you a lot of pain. They're going to shake out the loose longs, and I think there's going to be a recovery in the next 2 weeks. I think they're going to try to make a run for it to close at least close towards that 2079 in the cash, which for us would be new highs in this contract would be 2071 and a half. So that's what I'm looking at. I'll give you an update today. Remember what I said last night was the fact that when it gets like that, if you get a trade, put some money in the bank and then walk away. Typically, in the 20, 30 years I've been trading this contract, rollover is the hardest. And I used to have so much. Um, I don't want to say what's the right word. I couldn't stand the spreaders in the pit because I knew they were always just picking me off. So, uh, 5 minute pivot in a buy. Uh, we got value way up here. Oh, I'm sorry. So here, key bull bear zone at 2020. Bottom of values at 2028. All right. Good luck. Good trading. Talk to you later. Bye.